Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're gonna show you how to change the filter in your AC unit. There's two possible places you can find your AC filter. One is in the actual AC unit up in the attic. Another place, possibility of having the filter is on the ceiling. One of the vents would have two little latches, and you open it and you'll see the filter in there. The first step would be to shut off the AC unit. We are in the attic. This is our AC unit. In order to change the filter, like in our filter is under this cover, and we are using reusable filter. We're going to take it out. You see it dusty and nasty, and we're going to clean it. Now we're going to rinse it and leave it on the sun to dry. At your house you most likely have one of the cardboard filters with the element, and we are using reusable filter for two reasons. One, obvious, we're trying not to pollute the planet Earth, and another reason why we're using this filter, because the company who makes it guarantees even if the filter is dirty and you forgot to take it out and clean it, it's not going to restrict airflow to your AC unit. Once you lose the flow with the disposable filter, the units start freezing up, the ice forms on a coil, and you have a set of problems on your hand. You can see them linked to buy that filter in the description below. Once the filter is dry, you can install it back to the unit. Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing in right direction. We've got airflow going this way, so that's how it's going to go. After you change your filter, you should reset your thermostat filter reset. In our case it's Nest. We're going to settings, reminders, continue, reset. That's it, you completed the air filter change in your AC unit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share it.